Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Trickybeas premium logo. Let's claim premium Damarcus Beasley logo of your event in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this heroes event and go into heroes puzzle. As you can see, I already got the first premium, the motor logo, and the second is the Trickybeas. This is the second chapter of the heroes, Damarcus Beasley, Trickybeas. So you can get this premium Trickybeas logo by playing this heroes expedition. Each time you complete this heroes expedition, you can get or you can earn the reward. As you can see, I already complete 15 times of this heroes expedition, so I can collect all the puzzle of this Trickybeas and also the motor, the first chapter. So it's very easy. Just tap this gift, and this is premium Trickybeas logo. Let's tap free button, tap to open, and we got this logo. Let's see on the club, tap locker room, tap user logo. As you can see, I got this premium Trickybeas logo. If you want to change, just tap this confirm, change shift, and the premium Trickybeas logo is on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.